Hello kids, we will trace alphabet A, B, C, A to L. Let's start. Orange color. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. Red color. A blue color. B C D E F G H I J K L. Kids, read again. A B C D E F G H I J K L